How to find referral code in GoTyme. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can find your referral code in GoTyme, whether you want to invite friends or earn rewards. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up GoTyme application and make sure to log in into your account. So once you're logged in, you have to navigate to the menu icon. So tap on the menu icon, usually located at the top left or bottom right. So search for menu icon, tap on it. Under the menu option, look for refer and earn or invite friends option. Tap on it and you will see your unique referral code displayed prominently. Now you can copy it or share it directly via social media, SMS, or email. Now, once you have your referral code, share it with your friends. And once you share your referral code with friends and family, when they sign up for GoTyme, they just enter your code during registration and both of you will get a reward. That's it. Now you know how to find and use your GoTyme referral code. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you on the next time.